friends, today we are going to draw and color a pumpkin. Let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and we'll start from the stalks. Now, let's gradually create the full pumpkin, complete with leaves and vines.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. Horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men.
And don't forget to give our pumpkin some personality with cute eyes and a friendly smile.
Hickory-dickory-dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, merrily, merrily.
Once we've got our pumpkin looking fantastic, it's time to make the outlines bold and sharp with a black marker.
A green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it. I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket.
Let's bring this pumpkin to life with a vibrant burst of colors. Orange color.
Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird, and if that
Bottle green color.
don't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring.
Green color.
And if that diamond ring turns brass, Mama's gonna buy you a looking glass. And if that looking glass is broke, Mama's gonna buy you a Billy. A, B, C,
Red
D,
color.
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T,
Orange color.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Sky blue color.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Purple
Now
color.
I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go
Orange
round
color.
and round, all through the town. Wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish.
Red
Wipers
color.
on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. Horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all
Yellow color.
through the town. Humpty Dumpty king's horses and all the king's men. Let it put Humpty together again.
There you have it, my young artists.
Awesome!
Our adorable, colorful pumpkin is ready to bring a smile to your faces. Thanks for watching and joining us on this artistic adventure. Keep creating, coloring, and having fun. Your creativity knows no bounds. Until next time, stay inspired and keep drawing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.